Hello and welcome to a bonus dronesdeep.com video. I'm not sure if some of you have seen the video leaked earlier today of the suspected release or early release of the Mavic Mini 2. It comes from a guy who's walked into a Best Buy store and noticed that the Mavic Mini 2 was on display, and he tried to purchase it and he succeeded and walked out with it. He's taken it home, unboxed it, and given us a brief look at what the Mavic 2 Mini brings. But considering it hasn't been released yet, everyone's wondering, is the video genuine or fake? So we're gonna have a quick look at it and see what we think. Okay, so this is the guy here. He's got a YouTube channel called Our Beautific World or something. The link to the video is actually in the description, so everyone can go and see for themselves. I'm just going to do a little brief rundown of what I think about this video. In the beginning of this video, the sound doesn't work, so it's set up to look very amateurish. So this is the store, Best Buy. I've never heard of it. I think it's an American store anyway. It's not in England. And there's the Mavic 2 in its box in a display cabinet. So either if it is a fake video, he obviously works for the store, or he's got someone inside the store to put it in there for him to make this video look as authentic as possible. So here he is, he's come out of the store now with his Mavic Mini 2, and he's gonna take it home and unbox it for us. It looks quite good. The box looks amazing. If it is a fake, the box already looks brilliant. Whoever's done this has done a good job on it. Right, okay, so this is the main image that everyone I've seen so far who's commented on this video is a little bit dubious about. The DJI Mini 2 logo at the top there, it does look a little bit photoshopped, doesn't it? But you can't be sure. That's the good thing about this video. It's everything I've seen so far. You think, yeah, but you just can't be sure. I don't want to call it yet. And the good thing for everyone who's seen so far is obviously the 4K video and the OcuSync. I mean, it's claiming up to 10 kilometers of range. I don't see the point. So I've never seen the point of 10 kilometers or even 3-4 kilometers, because if you can't, if you don't have visual line of sight, then you're not flying legally anyway. But so why would they make a little tiny drone like this with the range of 10 kilometers? I don't quite know. What I don't see as well is anything that mentions the ability to shoot RAW or to take RAW photographs. That's what I've been crying out for with the Mini 1, really. So yeah, it does look a little bit superimposed, but apart from that, it still looks quite genuine. Okay, there's the box. Again, the box is a very good mock-up. Again, it's still showing it as less than 250 grams. That's the main selling point of the Mini anyway, so anything that they do to it, it's got to remain below the 250 gram limit, otherwise it's going to be pointless for most users. I thought I noticed somewhere earlier that the SD card was in a different place on this, but I could be wrong. It could be just the vents on the side. I can't find it now. There it is, just the vents in the legs, I think. I thought it was an SD card poking out, but it's not. And the bag, I'm not sure if that bag is his or whether it's part of the combo package. If it's part of the combo package, it just looks like an ordinary camera bag, I think. So I think it could have, if it's a fake, he could have made a bit of an effort with the bag. The Mavic Mini combo looks like this, and that bag on the screen now looks worse than this. This is an awesome carry bag. So if that is genuine, I'm gonna poo-poo the bag. The carrier bag is rubbish, to be fair. Battery pack looks different as well. It's of a grey colour. Mine's black. But I have heard people already mention that battery pack could come from a Mavic Air. I have obviously looked at other people's reviews so far in this video, and a lot of people are saying that most of the components in this shot here are available on other versions of Mavic drones. I haven't seen many Mavic drones, to be honest, so I can't comment on that. But what I do want to say is that box, try and work out how he's done it. I mean, you'd have to have a very good printer, good photograph to begin with, and that's not a bad bit of photoshopping, to be fair. I don't know. I'd like to say it's fake, because I'd be gutted if someone else got it. But if it's true, then I'm looking forward to seeing what he does with it. I'm hoping he's now going to get loads of subscribers to his channel after his video's now probably going to go viral among the drone enthusiasts. So he's going to need to give us a little bit more proof to let us believe that what he's got on that table there is a genuine DJI Mini 2. Because I've only just noticed actually there is no Mavic. It doesn't say Mavic at all. It just says Mini 2. So I'm wondering whether they've actually dropped the Mini Mavic name and just called it a Mini 2. So I've just hastily put this video together just to get it online. I'll be looking forward over the next couple of days to find out what else we have in store from this guy. Maybe it's just a publicity stunt from Best Buy. If it is, it's a stroke of genius, because everyone's talking about it as far as I'm aware. If it's true, then someone's going to get sacked, obviously, for putting it on the shelves. Yeah, so we'll look forward to seeing what happens in the next couple of days. Cheerio for now.